Ever feel like the world of investing is speaking a language you haven't quite learned yet? Like everyone else is in on some secret, and you're just peeking through the door wondering where to even begin? You're not alone. Millions of people, especially those just starting out, find the idea of putting their hard-earned money into the stock market a little daunting. And with so many apps and platforms popping up promising to make it easy, it's tough to know which one to trust with your first investment steps. That's where we come in. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular platforms for beginner investors, Acorns and Robinhood. You've probably seen their ads, heard their names, but which one is actually better for someone just dipping their toes into the investing waters? Think of it like choosing your first car. Do you need a rugged pickup truck built for hauling heavy loads, or a nimble, fuel-efficient sedan perfect for navigating city streets? Both get you from point A to point B, but they cater to very different needs and preferences. The same goes for Acorns and Robinhood. They both offer a way to invest, but their approaches, features, and target audiences have some key differences. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Why is investing important in the first place? Well, simply put, it's one of the most powerful tools you have to grow your wealth over time. Leaving your money sitting in a savings account might feel safe, but inflation, the silent thief that erodes the purchasing power of your money, is constantly at work. Investing, on the other hand, gives your money the potential to outpace inflation and generate returns, helping you achieve your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, funding your retirement, or simply building a more secure financial future. Now, back to our contenders. Let's start with Acorns. Acorns has built its reputation on simplicity and accessibility, particularly through its roundups feature. Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.75. Acorns can automatically round that purchase up to the nearest dollar, taking that spare 25 cents and investing it for you. It's like saving without even thinking about it. These small amounts accumulate over time and are invested in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are essentially baskets of stocks and bonds that track a specific market index or sector. This diversification is crucial for beginners as it helps to spread out risk. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, a single stock, your money is spread across potentially hundreds or even thousands of different companies. Acorns offers several pre-built portfolios with varying levels of risk, ranging from conservative to aggressive, depending on your comfort level and time horizon. Beyond roundups, Acorns also allows for recurring investments, where you can set up automatic transfers of a fixed amount of money on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This dollar-cost averaging strategy can be beneficial as it helps to smooth out the volatility of the market by buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Acorns also offers other features like Earn, which partners with various brands to give you cashback rewards that are automatically invested, and Later, which helps you save for retirement through an IRA. They also have Checking, a checking account that integrates seamlessly with the investment platform. Now, let's talk about Robinhood. Robinhood burst onto the scene with its commission-free trading model, disrupting the traditional brokerage industry. This was a game-changer, especially for beginners who might be hesitant to pay fees for small trades. With Robinhood, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies without paying any commission. This commission-free access has made Robinhood incredibly popular, particularly among younger investors. It provides a direct gateway to the stock market, allowing users to pick and choose individual stocks they believe in. While this can be exciting and potentially lead to higher returns, it also comes with greater risk, especially for those who are new to investing and may not have the knowledge or experience to analyze individual companies. Unlike Acorns' focus on pre-built, diversified portfolios, Robinhood puts the investment decisions squarely in your hands. While they do provide some basic research tools and news feeds, the platform is generally geared towards users who are comfortable making their own investment choices. Robinhood also offers fractional shares, meaning you can buy a piece of a stock even if you don't have enough money to buy a full share. This can be particularly appealing for beginners who might not have a lot of capital to invest initially in high-priced stocks. So, which one is better for beginners? The answer, as it often is, depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a hands-off, automated way to start investing without having to think too much about the specifics, Acorns might be a better fit. Its roundup feature makes investing feel almost effortless, and its pre-built diversified portfolios provide a solid foundation for long-term growth without requiring you to pick individual stocks. The educational resources within the app are also helpful for understanding the basics of investing. The subscription-based fee structure, which varies depending on the features you use, is something to consider, but for many beginners, the simplicity and automation outweigh the cost. On the other hand, if you're interested in actively picking your own stocks and want the flexibility of commission-free trading, Robinhood could be more appealing. The ability to buy fractional shares lowers the barrier to entry for investing in more expensive companies. However, it's crucial to understand that with this freedom comes greater responsibility. Investing in individual stocks requires research and understanding of market dynamics, and it carries a higher level of risk compared to investing in diversified ETFs. While Robinhood does offer some educational content, it's generally less comprehensive than what you might find on Acorns. Here's a quick rundown of some key differences to help you decide. Investment approach. Acorns, automated investing in diversified ETF portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Robinhood, direct access to trade individual stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Ease of use for beginners. Acorns, very user-friendly, with a simple interface and automated features that require minimal input. Robinhood, straightforward interface for trading, but requires more knowledge and confidence in making investment decisions. Diversification. Acorns, built-in diversification through ETF portfolios. Robinhood, diversification depends on the user's choices. Beginners might be tempted to invest in only a few individual stocks, increasing risk. Fees. Acorns, subscription-based fees, ranging from a few dollars per month. Robinhood, primarily commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. Fees may apply for certain features or services. Educational resources. Acorns offers educational content to help users understand basic investment principles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.